As human beings, we all have to make decisions throughout the day. Right from the moment when we wake up in the morning till the time we go to the bed, we are constantly making some sort of decision. And some of the decisions that we make have a very huge impact over the course of our life, while others are relatively trivial. I think that we all have made some mistakes in life, some decisions in life, which seem to be so foolish in retrospect. So I'm going to talk about one simple method that will help you in making better decisions, and I call it postponing the urge. You see, most of the times we create havoc in our life by indulging in the things right away, indulging in the things which we think are right. And we really need to understand this thing that we are emotional beings, and reason and emotions are pole apart. Reason is a faculty of your mind that helps you in differentiating between what is right or wrong, what is good or bad, what is necessary or unnecessary. To make a good decision, reason is needed, because reason really creates all kind of possibilities and alternatives. And to reason well, an absence of emotions is needed. Why? Because emotions can really cloud the way you look at reality. Under the spell of the emotions, you just look at the part of the reality. You don't look at whole, because you are so consumed by your emotions. Whenever you are angry or fearful or insecure, can you make the right decision? No, never ever you can make the right decision. You have to weigh in all the pros and cons in order to make the right decision, and emotions really handicaps you in this context. And I know that a lot of you might say that some decisions are meant to be taken from heart. I'm very well aware of this age-old dilemma of whether to follow your heart or your head. But a misunderstanding has happened. People have misinterpreted heart as emotions. Heart does not mean emotion. Heart means spontaneity, a clarity which arises in you when your mind is utterly silent. So the best decision comes from a space where you have reasoned well, and in the right moment, the right decision just appears. You don't forcefully choose or make a decision. It just appears whenever you are relaxed. So this is the criteria. You have to reason well. You have to weigh in all the pros and cons, and afterwards you just have to allow the right decision to appear in your consciousness. Now, what do I mean by postponing the urges? You know, our problem is that most of the times we make our stupid decisions in the heat of the moment. And sometimes we know while making the decision, while indulging in it, that this is not something that we should do, but we still go on doing it. So if we can really get this knack of postponing the urge to indulge in decision making right away, then most of the stupid decisions that we make in our life will simply disappear. So the rule is really simple. For example, if someone insults you and you have this urge to react in that moment right away, just hold on to your urge. Don't indulge in it and give it 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can react in whatever way you want to react towards that person. You can scream at that person, you can shout at that person, but only after 24 hours are over, not before that. And you will find that in 24 hours, you will lose all the hangover of emotions. In 24 hours, you will lose all the urge to react to that person if it is unnecessary. If it is necessary, then you should go ahead and say whatever you need to say to that person. But if it is unnecessary, it will simply drop away on its own accord without doing a single thing. And you can modify this rule according to your own convenience, because we all are different beings. We all have unique tolerance levels. Some people will get over the hangover of the emotions in 24 hours, some might take 48 hours, some might take 3 or 4 days. It's up to you. Play around a little bit with this thing. The point remains that you should really learn this art of postponing the urge to indulge in the decision right away. And if you have to make some major decision in your life, you can go for a periodic evaluation. For example, if you are thinking about resigning at your job and the urge is too strong to resign, then don't just indulge in that urge right away. Give it some time. Every week, evaluate all the pros and cons. If you have this urge to go on a weekend vacation, then don't just book the tickets right away. Give it some time. Evaluate it every week. And once you have evaluated it for a few weeks, after that you don't have to make any decision. This is something magical that you will come across. That right decision is not something that you make. Right decision appears in your consciousness. Once you have reasoned well, and whenever you are in a relaxed mode, whenever you are listening to music or talking to your friend, it will just appear out of nowhere in your consciousness. Yes, this is something that I want to do. This is something that seems to be right. So be relaxed, the right decision will appear. So don't be a victim of your emotions. Learn the art of postponing the urge. If you can learn this art, then you will find that 99% of all the stupid decisions that you make in life will simply disappear. There will be much clarity and intelligence in your life. And to me, an intelligent life is a life of preponing the essential and postponing the non-essential. And these stupid decisions, these bad decisions are the non-essential things that you should postpone in your life. Because it only takes one small decision to change the course of your life. You know, our life is a series of these small choices that we have made throughout our life. A house or a fancy gadget that you buy on a whim makes you a slave of some credit card company. You have to just go on paying the EMIs like forever. Now there is a quote from movie Synecdoche, New York. I want to read it out. It's very interesting. It's about the choices that we make in our life, how they result in the person that we are. There are a million little strings attached to every choice you make. You can destroy your life every time you choose, but maybe you won't know for 20 years, and you will never ever trace it to its source, and you only get one chance to play it out. Remember this, imbibe this. Every small choice that you make will leave a long-term impact in your life. Though it doesn't appear to be so, because we are very short-sighted people, we cannot comprehend it. But take another look at your life. Who are you? In every fiber of your being, your choices are contained. You are a product of your choices. All the choices that you have made throughout the course of your life have made you the person that you are today. And a small change in the way you make choices by postponing the urges will have such a positive impact in your life. You cannot comprehend it right now, but just try it. And remember, I'm not trying to say that you should repress all your urges. Sometimes you will have these urges that you need to indulge in, but give it some time. If it is unnecessary, it will be dropped. If it is necessary, then go ahead and take that action. So I hope that you had an insight into how to make the right decisions in your life, and you're going to do something about it in order to become a better or intelligent human being. And I wish you all the best for that.